how to peel a shrimp. So you get a little paring knife. Be careful. Don't put a lot of pressure. Just go quick down the side. Gets that open. Boom. Then I keep a little paper towel and I take out that thing and you're good to go. You want to go one step further and butterfly. Just boom. Then you can make your shrimp look butterflied. Okay, so let's do that again. Shrimp assist. You go start at the top, right in here. Firm grip. Peel off the shell from right below the top down. Take off the feet. Grab your paper towel. Pull that out. Again, butterfly. Careful. And spread it. And that's how to peel a shrimp.